Hello everybody, welcome to Bell CB. Doing a tune-up report today on the Journal HP40W. This is for Eric in Kentucky. Eric's starting with the power on low on AM. 10 watts on the top screen there. Coming in just a hair off of 3. Then we're going to change it to the 100 watt scale. Go to that same spot, it'll be 30. We'll add a 0 to each of those numbers. Alright, so here's high power. Right there, 30. And the peak on there is my 250 slug. There's 100. There's 150. 125 is that little line in the middle. Oh, yeah, check that. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. And there you have that. FM on this radio goes the same as the dead key on AM. So that's everything there. Yeah,